Hey, welcome back to Channel S Quick Invest. Still that beautiful Malaysian property dream? For many 40-plus Malaysians, it turned into a nightmare of regret. They bought for investment, for retirement, or just because it felt like the right thing to do. But years later, they're feeling the pinch. Part 1, Financial Overcommitment. Regret number 1, Financial Overcommitment and maxing out the loan. In Malaysia, many people are pressured to buy early. The big mistake, committing up to 50%, or even 70%, of their monthly income to the mortgage. They pass the bank's debt service ratio test, but they are left house poor. They can service the loan, but they have no buffer for life. For Singapore buyers, this is a warning about leverage. The exchange rate is favorable, but if you over-leverage, any future interest rate hike or personal emergency can be catastrophic. Ask yourself, if your property is empty for 6 months, can you comfortably cover the mortgage, maintenance fees, and bills with your existing income? The hidden fees. And don't forget the hidden fees. Malaysians often regret buying a high-rise where the maintenance fee skyrockets after the developer hands over management. What was RM200 can suddenly become RM400 or more because the building was poorly funded initially. This is a perpetual cost that eats into your rental yield. Factor it in, and budget for it to increase. Part 2, Location, Property Type, and Value Erosion. Regret number 2, Oversupply in the wrong area. Regret number 2, Buying into oversupply and poor capital appreciation. This is crucial for investment buyers. Many Malaysians bought in large, new townships or areas like Iskandar, Malaysia, only to face massive oversupply of units. When there are too many condos, prices stagnate or even drop, and finding a tenant becomes a nightmare. If the capital gain is minimal, and the rental yield is low, you are losing money to interest and upkeep. For you, the Singaporean buyer, don't chase the newest, shiniest deal far from established cities. Focus on prime, high-demand areas with genuine local tenant pools, not just foreign speculation. Poor workmanship, and finally, the painful reality of poor build quality. Many older Malaysians are now dealing with properties that are falling apart after only a decade. Think leaky pipes, non-functional amenities, and tiles popping out. The developers cut corners, and the homeowners pay the price for constant, expensive repairs. The lesson here is diligence. Do not rely solely on the show unit. Research the developer's track record and, if possible, hire an independent consultant to check for defects before you take vacant possession. Part 3, Actionable Advice for Singapore Buyers. So, how do you avoid these Malaysian property regrets? Here are your 3 Singaporean action. Number 1, stress test your loan beyond the bank's limit. Don't just meet the debt service ratio. Aim for a max of 30% of your total Malaysian income and expected rental income for the loan repayment. The rest must be a safe buffer. Number 2, verify the rental demand. Do not buy based on speculative hype or a shiny brochure. Ask local agents, what are the current vacancy rates? How long does it take to find a tenant? Is the demand from locals or just other foreigners? Local demand is your long-term safety net. Number 3, go beyond the 4 walls. When you visit a property, don't just look at the interior. Check the overall building management. Look for signs of underfunded maintenance, dark hallways, broken gym equipment, dirty pools, and frequent elevator breakdowns. A bad management committee will kill your investment value faster than any market crash. Closing thought. The Malaysian property market offers opportunity, but it is not without risk. The biggest lesson from the regretful 40-plus buyers is this: don't let emotion or FOMO drive a 30-year commitment. Do your homework, budget for the worst, and only then, make your move. Are you considering a specific area in Malaysia? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cross-border investment tips.